In this video, I'm going to show you how to make username invisible on Discord. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Discord on your device and sign in into your account. Now, once you're signed in into your Discord account, go ahead and click on your user settings, which is placed at the bottom left corner of your screen beside this microphone icon and headphones icon. So click on user settings and this will take you to Discord's user settings. And here beside your display name, go ahead and click on that edit button to be able to edit your display name. Now go ahead and head over to this page where you'll be able to copy this Unicode, U plus 1 CBC Unicode. So go ahead and copy this Unicode to your clipboard and go ahead and head back to your Discord account. Now under your display name, go ahead and paste that code. After that, go ahead and save the changes for your account. As you can see in here, my current display name is invisible, and that is how you can simply make your Discord name invisible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.